we are in Enong Cranberry Farm. I know these are sticky and sour, but Lola Dina is going to make wine with it.
Cranberry wine. Those are cranberries.
How about the black ones?
Those are the ripe cranberries. You wanna try it?
Yes.
Okay. What's the taste? Is it sweet? Yummy? You like the cranberry?
Yes.
I think it's sour. It's not? When it's purple? Yum. Oh, dami. Daming cranberries.
Yum. Ano yan?
Cranberries.
Kinakain? Oh, it's stinging me. Kinain nila?
Yum?
Ito. Pwede na to?
The purple one is the ripe one.
Ito.
The purple is the ripe one.
Pwede na to? Oh, drunk ito.
Okay.
You know, they're white. Mom, what
Okay.
does the white ones taste like?
Baby pa yun, baby cranberries.
What does they taste like,
Wala
Mom?
pa yun, di pa yun
What
ripe.
do they taste like, Mommy?
Oh, you taste it.
Okay.
Masim? Yummy?
Oh,
yung damit ano
I'm going to get one. It's sticky.
Wait lang, ano? What's the taste?
Binubukas na to. Yucky.
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 Asim. Yung purple lang kasi yung ripe. The one like prunes.
Ah, parang dugo. Ha? Ah,
Yum?
dugo. Supi.
Ate, let's go. Let's go inside.
Mama.
Bakit?